Hello guys, welcome to Pit Stop. So today we are in EVM BMW Motorrad Cochin and we have the brand new BMW motorcycles, the G310 and the G310 GS. So it's been launched. This is the entry-level BMW motorcycles and it's been launched today in an all-new avatar at 2.45 lakh for the G310 and 2.85 lakh for the G310 GS. So we'll be doing a very quick walk-around video with this bike, and before that guys, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. This is the 2020 BMW GS310 and it looks stunning in this paint job, right? So actually it's very much looking different from the previous model, and the blue and the paint jobs like this is like cosmic black, polar white and kyanite blue metallic paint jobs are available. So this is the kyanite blue metallic, and on the first look what we can notice is this golden USD fox, and that's a bit contrasting, right? So that's like a good element. And other than that, you have these big fenders in the front with a Rally E sticker, and what we get is blue shade and red stickers on it. And of course we have the BMW headlamp unit, which looks even more stunning, and seriously BMW LED headlamp unit makes the bike even more sharp and aggressive in terms of the looks. And overall I'm a big fan of the design of the BMW GS compared to the this thing. And we can fit wind visors on the BMW GS. That is the option to fit the visors. Take a look at the side indicators, which is also LED, and that's pretty small but it's looking very cute and sharp, right? And again Rally E stickers on the left, red stickers again, and on the side we have a small black element which looks actually nice on the GS. Actually it looks like an air vent, but it's not. And coming to the side, we have this big BMW logo on a silver finish, you can even call it as white, and again GS stickers on the side. And the fuel tank overall it looks bulky, and that fits very much for the profile of the GS. This complete area is looking really bulky, and again the GS stickers, red stickers. And if you take a closer look, here we have a G310 logo, and from the sides what you can see is those bars, red bars, which is very much contrasting, and that enhances the look of the bike if you ask me. The GS from the side profile, actually the GS is pretty taller than the G310R, and we have a 5-spoke alloy wheel. The alloy wheels look very stylish. We have got dual channel ABS and front and back disc brakes as well. So here we have a bash plate which looks very strong, but if you touch and see, it will feel very much plasticky because it's not so strong, so that it might break faster. And to add that adventure element, we have this raw brake foot pedals, and that will give you enough grip when you are riding off the road. That's pretty useful, I would say. And again BMW badges, GS badges on the side. So one thing from the rear profile, if you take a look, you can understand that the exhaust is like it's having a unique design. It's pretty big and it's having a unique design, and it's kind of suits the profile for the bike. And at the rear you have nice grab handles along with a luggage carrier on the GS. The seats are like pretty cushioned and comfortable if you ask me. Even the pillion rider will be pretty comfortable, because even though the seat height is pretty high, because of the grab handles and the rear carrier, the pillion rider will be equally comfortable in the BMW G310 GS with a seat height of 835 mm for the rider. So other than that, GS, we get mono shocks at the rear, and it's painted on white, pretty contrasting. On the digital instrument cluster, we get all basic information, and it's not a color screen. They could have given a color screen if you ask me. So from the sides, again, sort of the same look from this side as well. Rally E stickers, BMW logo on the engine as well, and we all know that this is like made from the Hosur plant of TVS, right? So this engine, it comes with 313cc water-cooled single-cylinder engine with a maximum power output of 34 PS at 9,500 RPM and 28 Newton meters at 7,500 RPM. The power and torque figures are pretty impressive if you ask me, and you get that refinement from the BMW engine. So coming to the G310R, this looks even more sportier, right? With that red wheels and again the BMW LED headlights, the G310R looks even more sharper and sportier. We have a big R logo on the sides, and again the roll cages, roll bars are painted red. We have a sports sticker right on the fuel tank. That's a mix of white and red stickers. Again monoshock at the rear. More or less the G310R and the G is like same elements are used, same chassis, same, like only difference will be the tire size, the seat height, and a couple of other elements as well. So if you take a look at the seats of the G310R, it's like very sporty looking seats, and again the same instrument cluster which displays basic information. So coming to the side profile of the G310R, again you get the same exhaust which looks big and quite sporty if you ask me. The best thing about the G310R is those wheels painted in red. That gives the bike a completely different look if you ask me. It comes with rear disc brakes as well. The front tire size for the GS is 110, 70 R17, and rear tire size is 150, 60 R17. So like pretty much fit for a bit of off-roading in the GS because of the tall design of the bike, and also the tires will help a bit. The suspension is also a bit taller compared to the G310R. GS. There were a lot of people at the dealership to check out the GS instead of the G310R because G310R is a proper naked bike. It gets both the bikes get tried by wire technology, slipper clutch, new paint job, LED lighting, and adjustable levers. You can adjust the brake and clutch levers as per your comfort. And the GS looks even more sportier. I believe that these new bikes are completely better looking compared to the previous models because there is a lot of difference visually at least. So many people were clicking pictures with these bikes because it looks stunning in these paint jobs, right? So one thing which I have to tell you is that for these paint jobs you will have to pay an additional, I mean not for the G310R, for the G310, for the GS you will have to pay an additional amount of 6,000 rupees for this particular paint job. So if it is your dream to own a BMW bike, then these two bikes will be the best option to start with because the newer models comes with a deduction in pricing. GS starts at a 2.85 lakh ex showroom and the G310R starts at 2.45 lakh ex showroom. That is killer pricing for a BMW Motorrad bike in my opinion.
Wow, so these two machines has been heavily upgraded, and hopefully I will get a chance to ride these bikes soon, and we'll be coming up with a detailed review of these two bikes, guys. So till then, please keep watching our channel, and please do subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications, and please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.